In this video, I will show how to select 24-bit 96,000 96,000 Hertz in Windows 11. So click on Start, then Settings, and here click on System, then Sound. In the speaker, click this arrow. Now output settings, you will find option 24-bit. So you can select here 24-bit 96,000 Hertz, and there are some more options. Select it and you can test it. Also, you can change another one and see the performance. Also, you can select audio enhancements. You can select device default effects. Now exit and restart your PC or laptop. So this way guys, you can change in your 24-bit 96,000 Hertz in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.